Set the left position limit of the cutting wire. Release the right position limit. Make sure the rolling speed is 50, which is low. Hold this hand controller and pull this tensioning wheel. Click wire button. Now it starts rolling. Exert force to pull the cutting wire outward while the spool is rotating. Click wire off button on hand controller before the wire runs out. Make sure that you turn off the rolling before the wire runs out, and move the drum by your hand. Then cut off the excess wire. Ensure that your hand supports the drum to prevent it from rotating. Fix it, and now cut off the excess part. Turn the air pressure button to rise. Roll the drum to raise the guiding wheel. Now we found the tension wheel reaches its topmost position, but the cutting wire is in the middle position. Which means we need to cut more cutting wire. Let's pull back to the top end of the cutting wire. Our purpose is make the cutting wire runs out just before the tension wheel reach its highest position. So this tensioning process usually need to repeat 3 or 4 times. Roll the cutting wire to its top end. Move tension wheel to its lower position. Cut off more cutting wire. Raise the tension wheel. Set the right position limit. Now it's test mode. If you close test mode and click the wire button, the cutting wire will stop running when the tension wheel reaches its highest position. This is also a sign that the cutting wire hasn't been properly tensioned. So let's back to the test mode. Roll the cutting wire to its tail end. Now let's cut off some cutting wire from the tail end. Fold down the tension wheel and cut off the excess cutting wire. Raise the tension wheel. Let's start the tension process once again. Make sure to release the right position limit when you tension the cutting wire. It may rotate backwards when the cutting wire runs out. Cut off the excess cutting wire. Lower the tension wheel. Again, cut off the excess cutting wire. Raise the tension wheel. Set the right position limit. Run the cutting wire. It's not stop when the tension wheel reaches up position this time. The cutting wire keep running forward and backward smoothly. That means the cutting wire is tensioned properly right now. In fact, our purpose is run the cutting wire properly without test mode. The other thing you should keep in mind is when you set the position limit, it should not exceed the length of cutting wire.